This is how hood girls be. Yes, I would. Hello, how are you? I would like to return this. I can't use this. I can't use that. I can't use that. Oh, the card? You need the card? So the refund is going back onto the card? Oh, okay. Here you go. Why are you talking about Tika baby father? Tika baby father work. He don't got nothing to do with you. Tika baby father don't got nothing to do with you. Why is you talking about Tika baby father? Stop talking about Tika's baby father. He work. Tika baby father don't pay child support. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?